up, my family members? How you guys doing out there? I have some great news for you guys. Wednesday, February the 14th, we became 3,000 family members strong. Yay! Can you guys see it? Yay! At 10:11 p.m. That's when I saw it. We became 3,000 family members strong. Yay! But as of today, which is a Sunday, we are 3,110 family members strong. Yay! I thank you guys from the bottom of my heart. I thank you for subscribing. I thank you for pushing that like button. I thank you for watching all my videos. I appreciate you from the bottom of my heart once again. Mwah! I thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Yay! Let's keep getting it. Let's keep rocking it. Let's keep doing it. Okay, fam, I want to show you a gift I won off of a beautiful YouTuber channel. If you guys don't know her, I want you to go over to her channel and watch all her videos. She's a beautiful lady. Her title is Petalisbless. I'm going to show you a picture of her. She is one of the first big YouTuber that commented on my page. She always commenting on my page, and she always, have something positive to say, and she keeps me going. But I won this gift off of her page. And I'm getting ready to show you guys, because when I saw the package, I was just like, I was glowing. So I hadn't had the opportunity to show you guys. I said, I'm going to sit down and show you guys what I want off of her channel. Yay! And I also, let me tell you, she did bling curtains. She did some white bling curtains. And I recreated that because I just admire her. I recreated it in black. Let me show you guys the curtains. These are the curtains. Let me kind of bring it. These are the curtains she made, and I did the exact curtains in black. So she inspires me. Yay! So anyway, let me show you guys what I got. And she know I love bling, right? I know y'all saying, Monica, just get it out of there. Look at all these bling. Oh, bling, bling, bling. Bling, 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 bling. So she got me 4 of those. And I always see her do, now where I get this from? She also gave me these diamond wrap blings. Yay! I always wonder, where did she get those? Especially this one. Where'd she get it from? But she sent me some. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. She sent it in also diamond wrap and gold. And then these are sequins, rhinestones. It's just a whole kit of everything in it. Miss Petal, Miss Annette, you are a beautiful lady. I thank you for the bling. You know I'm getting ready to do a project with all these. So stay tuned. I appreciate you. I thank you. Mwah! And keep them coming. Thank you. I don't know how many times I just said that, but thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. So you guys go on over to Petalisbless. Let me show you a picture of her again. And support her channel. She's a sweetheart. Yay! Look at this. Let's do this. Thank you, Petal. Okay, the supplies you would need for this tutorial are 3 candle holders, 1 glass vase, 2 LED lights, 2 tea lights, 1 garden dish, some rhinestone bling bling, some glass gems, about 3 bunches of flowers, and 1 floral foam ball. And we're going to cut it in half, and I'll show you how I made this. Okay, and don't forget your glue gun. You ready? Let's get started. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to glue our rhinestones onto our vase. Okay, now we're going to do the top of the centerpiece. Gonna first take our candle holder, turn it over, and we're going to put some glue at the bottom of our candle holder. And we're going to sit it right in the middle of our planter dish. And we're going to open up our glass gems. Then we're going to take our flower centerpiece and we're going to glue it right on top of our candle holder. Put some glue right on the top. There you go. Center it. Okay. And then we're going to take our glass vase and we're going to put some glue right on the side, only on one side of our vase. That way it's only going to hold bowl in place. That's all we wanted to do, because we want to be able to open it and put our LED light in there and then be able to turn it off. Okay, so we're going to turn our LED light on. Set the bowl down. We're going to take our LED light and we're going to drop it right into our planter dish. Okay, and we're going to take our 2 candle holders, and we only use 1 package of our diamond wrap, no, 1 package of our rhinestones. Turn our LED lights on. Drop it in 1 candle holder. We are finished. If you want to turn your LED light off, you just take a pair of scissors. And you see how it's holding it? Turn it off. Turn it back on. And if you don't have some scissors, get a a stick or anything. But like I said, it's still on there.